Guys, Adam here, and I got a demonstration on how to make a Knex helicopter. So we got the base and the landing gear here and there, and we got the tail rotor, the top propeller, and the windshield. So watch, you take these two pieces, slide them on like this, attach them, and then take the windshield, slide it on the front like so. Okay, then before you attach the landing gear, you need to attach the wheel rotor. So the way you do it, you attach it like that. Attach the blue rods and the yellow rod like that. And get it stable just like that. Then take the landing gear, slide one on one side. And then do the same thing for the other side. Here you have a fully made Knex helicopter. So the motor we have right here. So if you turn it on, got gears connected to one another, and it's pretty neat. So in case you need more, I'll be publishing more videos that kind of just like these if I can. Bye.